Hey, good evening to you. So today we are going to learn how can increase laptop or desktop performance. So simple method, it's hidden trick. Let's start. So in the run menu, we can type msconfig command. Just click on enter. You can see option boot option. In boot option, we have another tab advanced option. Click on advanced option. In your computer, this option is not visible. Click on it. Number of processor. Then you can see how many core processors are available in your computer. First, you click on it. Maximum number of processor. Simple thing. You can click on OK, apply, and OK, and restart your computer. You can see much more speed increased in your laptop compared to before. Thanks watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.